What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tim Aslan Crypto here with Countertrend Capital, bringing you a Bitcoin update. So in the last update and what was shared on Twitter was that we wanted to hold this range point of control if we had any hope of breaking this high. Now we lost that. We held these wicks so far, but now that there's more of an established wave pattern, I have a lot more clear vision of what I think is going to happen. So let me hop on the 1 hour real quick, and you can see a definite 1, 2, wave 3, 4, and 5. So I don't think the fifth is finished yet. If you guys remember how to calculate the fifth wave, it's from the start of 1 all the way to 1, and then you move your third fib down to the top of 4. So we have a few different targets, but I'll show you what I think is more likely. So the first target is 40,135. That's the 100%. Now this is good because it would hit this dark gray box. This is a weekly fair value gap. So that could be a reversal, but if we go slightly lower to the 1.23 at 39,350, that is more in confluence with this daily naked point of control from these impulse candles on the left side. Furthermore, there's a daily fair value gap pretty much right at that fib, and there's a TR pocket of this range to the downside. So essentially we have 3 really nice pieces of confluence, 4 even, right at this 1.23 fib. So I would imagine that that is a very strong stopping point, and I think we can reverse from there. This might happen this weekend, or it might wait till next week. You know, today's Friday, so weekends are always kind of interesting. Not much going on until CME opens on Sunday. So I am looking for a move down here. I'd probably hop in a long position and throw my stop around 38K. And then what I'd want to see from there is, because we have 5 waves down, we're obviously expecting a corrective wave to the upside before further downside. So these 2 big 4-hour fair value gaps look like a very sensible place to retrace to. We also have the 0.5 fib of that move down if we reach the 1.23, and the range point of control obviously flipped to bearish. So my plan is to essentially long up to here. If we can get maybe a little higher to this fair value gap, it would really make a lot of sense to short here and throw your stop at the high. And then from there, I think we get a move down to break these lows, potentially to these point of controls down here. We have a weekly and a monthly down here. And from there, that could be our reversal back up. We really don't know yet, because this could be an ABC down, or if we're really bearish, I mean, this could be a 1, 2, and a large wave 3 taking us down. So that's just something to keep in mind. But we'll figure that out when we get there. The plan is we short here, and then we're going to take profits at the ABC targets, but we'll hold runners for significantly lower targets, right? And we'll be able to see in the moment, and we'll be able to decide how much we want to take profit. But the main thing I'm really expecting is a retracement up. I think alts will do really well. Alts have been getting hammered lately, so I think they'll go up, 10-15% on this retracement, especially if it's a slow retracement. It can give alts some room to breathe. We'll get up here, flip short, and then ride the trend down until we see a clear reversal. So if you're not following us on Twitter, please do, and you would have caught this high actually. Before we even reached this high, I mentioned monthly naked point of control here, and that ended up being the exact reversal point for a 15% move down, and probably going to be 20% move down by the time we get down here. So make sure you're following us on Twitter with notifications on, and thanks for supporting the channel, guys. Make sure to check out our Big X link, and I'll see you guys in the next video.